Here is something important about the future of deep learning. This is what Francis Soleil had to say. There are some category of problems that require industry scale training resources, for sure. But there is no shortage of problems where a single GPU is all you need to make significant problems. Overall, the point is that whenever you are thinking that I need more computation power, you have to think twice. The main thing that's holding back AI research right now is not a lack of hardware, it's a lack of diversity of thought. If you have limited resources, don't spend your time worrying about GPUs. Rather, spend it worrying whether you are working on the right problem and asking the right questions. So overall, the point is that the diversity of thought is holding back AI research. In other words, a machine learning expert or a deep learning expert only knows about coding, right? He or she does not know enough about the problems in the real world. So if we could somehow build this interdisciplinary team of various experts and then find a really good problem to solve, then we should be able to solve many problems. Also, the point to take away for ML experts and developers here is to become humble enough to listen to others' problems, others' AI and deep learning problems, so that there is a place for innovation or there is a room to solve problems. One really good example of this is what DeepMind did. DeepMind, a company within Google, did recently. So DeepMind recently developed a tool called AlphaFold that solves a problem known as protein folding. Protein folding. It's a really important interdisciplinary problem within the field of chemistry, biology, and physics that this team, which initially they were playing chess and the game of Go, and eventually, more recently, they actually used all of their effort to come up with a team which had expertise in chemistry, physics, and all other fields that are needed to solve this problem, and made a huge breakthrough in solving this almost 50-year-old problem. Here's a YouTube video that explains what DeepMind did to solve the problem. But overall, this is a really good example of a work that I would say deserves a Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize because so far machine learning and deep learning have shown to do very well in games, in game playing, even recognizing faces and doing things like that. But here's the real power or the um, utility of deep learning to actually solve a scientific problem which humans have been struggling to solve since 50 years.